Hey guys, so this is actually my part 2 of my cool Amazon gift card haul here. I had gone a little crazy and tried out buying different kinds of Amazon gift cards in different kinds of packages. So this part 2 video is going to be showing all the ones that come in gift boxes. My first video was part 1, which had all the ones that came in tins. So if you're interested, make sure you check out that video. I'll put the link at the end of this video, and I'll be doing a part 3 where these gift cards come in envelopes. So let's go ahead and get started with the first one that comes in a box. So this first one is kind of a bulkier box with a slide out design. It's in a rose gold coloring here with stripes all around. It's a very simplistic look, no Amazon branding whatsoever, which is nice, except for, of course, the Amazon gift card, which is in a denomination of $150. And I do like the locking design, so you can't really actually pull everything out. It's in a denomination of $150, so it's actually sitting in a pretty kind of luscious material, as you can see there. And the card is a rose gold finish too, even though it is still cardboard. But I definitely like the upscale feel to this particular gift box, so this is something that's pretty nice you can give to kind of a higher end, classy, those people who can spend a little bit more to give a $150 Amazon gift card. This next one is kind of the same idea, same kind of shape and design pull out as well, very minimalistic, except this one is in gold and it has a nice little triangle pattern to it. Once again, this is in the denomination of $150, and I believe this is the lowest that you can get, unfortunately. So if you really want to gift big, then this is definitely the one to give. It's really nice though. I do like the design of the Amazon card. It is once again matching the box in this gold shiny color. If you still want an Amazon gift card in a box with a pull-out design, but you don't want to pay $150, well, this next one might be just for you. It even has a little line on the back where you can write it to the addressee, and you also have a really nice snowflake embossed design. Same pull-out with the luscious fabric it's sitting in, and again, the card matches the box design, which is nice. The Amazon swoosh is actually gold, so I think that's a really nice choice to fit this box. If red is not the color you're looking for, you want a more cool color, this one's more of a turquoise with some gold spots throughout. Same kind of design, and again another place for you to write the addressee, and you pull it out, still sitting in that luscious kind of fabric. And this one starts at a denomination of $50, so this is still maybe a little bit on the pricey side, but I think it's pretty good for what it offers. These next few ones in boxes are smaller, and they also start at a lower denomination at $25. This one's an interesting festive polka dot design with a little ribbon. Again, Amazon branding on the back, but it's not a huge deal. Inside's a little bit lackluster because they didn't really match the box. In this case, it's a white and yellow Amazon gift card, so I'm not a huge fan of that, but the box is pretty interesting. Now this one kind of pulled a surprise on me. It kind of had the same design like the other one, except it's kind of triangles, many colors here, ribbon on top. And then when you go ahead to open it up, it actually only opens one side because it's a pop-up book, and it says happy birthday, and the Amazon gift card inside is a matching design too. So I think this is a really nice one to give as a birthday gift. The icons on the card has like musical instruments, you got even a high heel right there, coffee, all kinds of stuff on here, so this is really great for everybody. So we've gotten boxes in red, blue, now here's one in yellow if somebody's interested into that. It kind of has like a farmhouse look to it. It does have, again, that place on the back for you to have to put the addressee on there. And then inside, it's a very simplistic white and gold Amazon gift card, which is nice. It fits the outside too. So this is a really nice simplistic one, farmhouse yellow design. Now this one is one that you probably give to somebody who's a fan of bow ties. I would probably give it to an older male. It's very classy, I think, on the outside. Unfortunately, on the inside, it's kind of disappointing with just a simple white, very big Amazon logo gift card. In contrast, here's one that's actually done right with a blue bow. This is a little bit more holiday themed. It has everything in blue and silver and shimmering, and when you open it up, you actually get a very nice Amazon gift card matching the holiday theme. It's a navy blue with some subtle accents of snowflakes right there, and the swoosh is silver. It's a very classy one. It does come with a minimum balance of $25, so keep that in mind there. Now this next one is probably the first one that I put into my cart, and this is a graduation cap style box. It's really cool, even has the tassel right there in white. So once again, you can go ahead and open it up and you reveal a very classic black Amazon gift card, and of course you can choose the denomination starting from $25, and that's pretty much it. What else can I say? It's a really nice gift for a grad. So now we've covered birthdays, holidays, graduation. Why not a simple thank you card box? So this is a really nice classy one. It has gold dots in a diamond pattern throughout. And opening up, it reveals a very simple white and yellow Amazon card. I kind of would have liked it to be Amazon's white and gold card, but I'm not asking too much. This one also can start with a denomination of $25 or higher. And with that, that concludes my part 2 of my Amazon card haul series. Again, all of these can be found in the product link below in the description if you guys are interested. In part 3, I'll be going through all the ones that come in these fancy envelopes and tags, so make sure to see that. If you haven't seen my part 1, the ones that come in tins, again, it will be shown on a thumbnail at the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already.